Is it real windy or really windy? In this video lesson, we will cover how to discriminate between modifiers and when to correct adjectives and adverb forms. After a quick but thorough practice session, we will try a quick test to see how well you have learned what adjectives and adverbs are and how to properly use them in a sentence. Let's begin. An adjective or adverb item on an objective test might look like this. Jacob ate slow, chewing his food thoroughly. His mother was really impressed since she often accused him of bolting dinner. Should we change slow for slowly, thoroughly for thorough, really for real? Or are these sentences correct and no change is necessary? You should exchange A, slow, for slowly. So what is an adjective? An adjective describes nouns. So here we have our sentence, the man lay on the couch. It's not very descriptive. We should add adjectives. We've put adjectives before the nouns in the sentence to make it more clear. The handsome man lay on the red couch. Adverbs can modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Let's check out this sentence. The man flirted in a bold manner. Let's add some adverbs. The man shamelessly flirted in an extremely bold manner. Here, the word shamelessly is modifying the verb flirted. The word extremely is modifying your adjective bold. However, what sounds right in the sentence is not always correct. Let's check out another sentence. Kenny thinks that he is real cool. Of course, we need to move from an adjective to an adverb form. Adverbs are going to modify verbs, such as in this instance, the adverb really is going to modify the adjective cool. We have come to our quick test. If you'd like, you can go back to the beginning of your adjectives and adverbs video and review and refresh your skills. Or if you'd like to, you can try your PDF, which is a quick test of your adjectives and adverbs. However, if you're ready, let's move on. In the items that follow, you should choose the option that corrects an error in the underlined portions. If no error exists, you can choose letter D, no change is necessary. Item 1. Farzana did poor on her algebra quiz. She couldn't concentrate well because her table mate was chomping noisily on a piece of gum. Should we exchange letter A, poor, letter B, well, letter C, noisily, or these sentences are correct and no change is necessary? Letter A, poor, should be exchanged for poorly. Your word poorly is an adverb that is reflecting back to the verb did. Item 2. Lawrence cheated on the chemistry test, but he's still very happy with his A. Should we exchange the word very with A, real, B, so, C, well, or D, this sentence is correct and no change is necessary? Here, no change is necessary. The other words given as choices are adjectives, whereas your word very is an adverb reflecting upon onto the adjective happy. It is correct. Item 3. The excruciating long school day put Wanda in a bad mood. She was very tired and just wanted to go home to relax. Should we change A, excruciating, B, bad, C, very, or D, this sentence is correct and no change is necessary. The word excruciating is another adjective, and we're trying to modify the adjective long. So we need to exchange letter A for excruciatingly, the adverb form. Item 4. The horrifying news that Professor Anderson was signing another 10-page paper made his students complain bitter about his very hard requirements. Should we change out A, horrifying, B, bitter, C, very hard, or D, the sentence is correct and no change is necessary? Your word be, bitter, in the sentence is an adjective and we want to change it out for its adverb form, bitterly, because we are reflecting back to the verb complain. Item 5. The duck quacked loud, hoping that we would throw it some of our French fries. Should we exchange the word loud with A, loudest, B, real loud, C, loudly, or D, this sentence is correct and no change is necessary? The duck quacked loudly. You need to have the adverb form, not the adjective form. It's reflecting back to how the duck quacked, its verb. Item 6. Mr. Hodges says to quit gossiping about Veronica and finish typing his report real quick. Should we change real quick out for letter A, very quick, letter B, real quickly, letter C, right now, or letter D, this sentence is correct and no change is necessary? You want to exchange real quick two adjectives that are put together at the end of the sentence with a verb, with the adjective and the adverb right now. Real quick would be informal grammar. Item 7. We roasted in the very hot sun, sweat pouring profuse off our skin. Thoughts of iced tea and lemonade plagued us mercilessly. Should we change out A, very hot, B, profuse, C, mercilessly, or D, these sentences are correct and no change is necessary? The word profuse is an adjective that needs to be changed into an adverb form here. Letter B would be the correct answer. Item 8. We moved into the new apartment real easy. Rebecca shamelessly flirted with some strong neighbors who were happy to help with the heavy boxes. Should we change out letter A, real easy, letter B, shamelessly, letter C, happy, or letter D, these sentences are correct and no change is necessary? You should exchange real easy out for easily. Real easy is informal grammar with those adjectives, and you want to replace it with a simple adverb, easily. Item 9. Alex did good during his speeches, addressing his classmates with confidence and poise. But he did poorly for the semester because he never submitted homework punctually. Should we change out letter A, good, letter B, poorly, letter C, punctually, or letter D, these sentences are correct and no change is necessary? Here, letter A, good, the adjective should be exchanged for the letter A, well. It is also an adjective, however, we are using formal grammar here. Instead of saying Alex did good, formal grammar would say Alex did well. Item 10. The incessant loud barks of her neighbor's dogs kept Diane from getting a good night's sleep. She did not feel well rested the next day. Should we change out letter A, incessant, letter B, good, letter C, well, or letter D, these sentences are correct and no change is necessary? The word incessant is an adjective here, and we want to exchange it for its adverb form, incessantly. The adverb incessantly is heading towards the adjective loud. We have come to the end of your adjectives and adverbs video. If you'd like, you can go back and review this video time and again in order to refresh and rehone your skills on adjectives and adverbs. Don't forget, you have a PDF handout of this quick test that can help you review offline.